So guys, if your credit score has been dinged because of the pandemic, don't worry, you are not alone. Marami po ang ganyan ng problema. And of course, one thing that's good about our So Rescued segment is the founder and owner himself, Rod Mercado, joins us to the rescue to give us tips this afternoon on how to repair the credit score that has been dinged during the pandemic. Hello Rod, thank you for joining us once again.
Hi Jannelle, salamat din sa iyo. Alam mo sa ngayon, no, dahil nga sa pandemic, yung nading yung ating credit score, di ba? Ang laki ng na-damage. Pero ang sa akin ngayon, the key is how to manage your credit and debt now. Para kung ano man yung na-damage dahil sa pandemic, ay at least ang impact ay minimal lang.
The first thing here, Rod, is talk to your lenders about your situation.
It's a good idea to contact your bank or creditor as soon as possible para malaman nila yung situation mo at makapagkaroon kayo ng some sort of a agreement on how you can possibly settle your debt.
And tip number 2, double check that payment plans are reported correctly.
Oo, kasi kung nakapag-usap na nga kayo, nagkaroon kayo ng payment plan. So, alam mo ba minsan hindi yan nare-record ng tama. So, kailangan i-correct mo yon.
And speaking of checking that the payments are reported accurately, review your credit reports. Rod, I've been in this situation before, no? Pero minsan, mas mahirap i-reverse kapag na bumaba na yung credit score mo over something that was reported incorrectly.
I would say regular or periodically, like quarterly or every 6 months, review mo yun para makita mo kung may mga erroneous information na na-indicate doon.
We are now on tip number 4, which is don't miss a payment. Rod, kailangan pa ba natin silang paalalahanan nito? Hindi ba ito dapat rule number 1?
Oo, tama yan. Pero sa hirap din naman ng panahon ngayon, parang hindi maiwasan, no? Kapag gano'n na nangyari, kahit na minimum payment lang ang ibayad natin. Kasi alam mo, napakalaking impact niyan. 35% ng payment history ang factor sa pagdedetermine ng credit score mo. So alagaan natin yan.
Right. Tip number 5, don't close any credit cards even if you're not using them.
Kapag sinara mo isang credit card mo, ang nangyayari, may utang ka pa rin, pero nawala yung credit limit na yon. So ang tendency, biglang tumaas yung credit utilization ratio mo. So makaka-apekto talaga sa credit score mo. Kung pwede i-convert na walang annual fee, but you can still keep the card.
So ngayon, tip number 6 is lower your credit utilization.
Sinasuggest talaga natin na 30% ng yung credit limit lang ang gamitin mo. But it is best if you can reduce it to 10%.
Right. Tip number 7, pay off a small debt every month.
Kung every month gumagawa ka, naghahanap ka ng maliit na utang na pwede mong bayaran, magugulat ka, mabilis na mapababa mo ang credit balances mo.
Tip number 8, take a credit builder loan which doesn't actually involve borrowing money.
Usually ang mga gumagawa nito mga credit union. So ang ginagawa ng credit union, bibigyan kanila ng funds. Okay? And doon sa savings account. Okay? And then binabayaran mo 'yon ng binabayaran pero hindi 'yon i-release sa iyo. So nagbabayad ka ng every month ng certain fixed amount that would be applied to the loan. Then let's say kung ang tenure mo, ang term is 12 months, after 12 months, bayad mo lahat yung utang mo, di ba? Ibabalik nila sa iyo yung perang somehow parang savings mo. Nagkaroon ka pa ng pera. Ngayon, yung bawat bayad mo on time, nare-report yon sa credit bureau. So, nagiging gumaganda ngayon yung credit report mo.
Last but not least, number 9, ask to be added as an authorized user.
Oo. Lalo na kung yung original user ay may magandang payment history. Nakakatulong dahil nadadala ka nung payment history nung original debtor.
We learn a lot about how to take care of our financial situation. And I know that you and your team are always looking for ways to help and improve your service para sa ating mga kababayan.
So meron kami ngayon na in-implement na tinatawag naming Debt Relief Stimulus Plan. Nagbibigay kami ng $100 off for the first month ng payment mo. May mga ongoing rewards na yun na $50 for each referral na magiging client na ni-refer mo. May mga programs kami na para sa mga frontliners natin ngayon. Meron din kaming program na pag hindi mo talaga kaya, Jannelle, na magbayad ng malaki every month. Meron kaming programa na 50% lang ng monthly mo ang babayaran mo muna for the first 3 months. Saka na tayo hahabol sa mga susunod na mga panahon.
We're very proud of you guys. You have added numerous new states for servicing, katulad ng
Illinois and Hawaii. Yan.
Yes.
So yung mga kababayan natin sa Illinois at Hawaii, tumawag na po kayo.
So every week here on the show, Financial Rescue, So Rescued, and So Easy, but also they are always on their YouTube channel.
Lastly pala, Jannelle, gusto ko lang i-mention, meron kami mga bagong programs no, na ni-launch, yung debt validation, debt consolidation programs, and of course, tax resolution na matagal na namin ginagawa. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat, Rod Mercado, and the rest of your hardworking men and women, your team at Financial Rescue for always coming to our rescue here on So Jannelle.
Maraming salamat, Jannelle.